Okay, I found in the basement this old Panasonic camcorder. Here's a look around it. It uses tapes and also it has... I was actually quite surprised that it also had SD. Yes, you could put in an SD card to take pictures and videos too. Well, if you have a tape, you can only take videos, it looks like. Yep. So, and this is over a decade old. And I remember this camera has not been used in over 8 years. So the battery is obviously dead. So here's a charger and let's charge it. Sorry that I'm moving the camera back and forth. Oh, it's backwards. Yep, it's charging now. And a neat feature about this camera is that you can use this DC cable. Well, right now it's really tangled. But you could actually connect it here and then connect it to your camera so you don't have to always be using the battery. Oh, I just realized that if you have the DC cable plugged in, then you can't charge your battery. Okay, that's interesting. And you plug it into here. And let's turn it on. I'm gonna put the screen at slightly high angle so that you can see it. Let's power it on. You get blue screen. I might be hearing you can hear the tape mechanism. And it looks like there's a blue screen, so I'm guessing there's no tape in there. How do I put in a tape in here? Let's do this. Oh! Okay. And I didn't notice there's already a tape in there. Let's see what's in this tape. So it says here, beware of jamming fingers. Beware of jamming fingers. Do not push here. But over here it says push. I want to take a look inside the mechanism. I'm not sure if we can see that or not. Yeah, that's the mechanism. So let's put in the tape in there. Oops. I should go back down. Yep. And you can hear the mechanism. Okay, press the reset switch. Wonder what's going on. I can hear it's trying to read the tape and focus, camera, focus. There. Let's go back and see if we could get anything. Okay, 8 minutes. I wonder if there's anything. Okay, press reset switch again. I don't know what's going on. Is there an issue with the tape? I think it's jammed. It won't come out. Okay, what's going on? It's not coming out. Okay, it came back out. Is there something wrong with the tape, I guess? Is it? I don't know. Let's try again. Press the reset switch. There it goes back in. I don't know why it's showing a black screen. It's at 9 minutes. It's right now at 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, why isn't it rewinding? Supposedly it should be rewinding. Okay, I just found out that it was in picture mode. I mean video mode, not play mode. So put the tape back in. Hopefully it works this time. Yes, I could already... because it's digital, so I'm guessing that's how it detects what time it is. Yeah. Do it start? I don't know. No idea what that is, but... it's rewinding. Okay, What is going on with this? I think there's an issue with the tape. Is there? Won't come out. Is this a mechanical issue? Here. Let me check. I'm gonna see if the tape is like damaged or something. I'm not sure. What's this? Save and record. Not sure what that is, but I'm guessing on some types of tapes there might be some electrical contacts, I guess, but this one doesn't. I'm not sure. Please let me know in the comments if you do know. I don't know why. Why does it keep saying to press the reset switch? And you can hear the motor spinning. Let's open this up so you can hear it better. Can you hear it? I'll play it again. You see right now it's at 1 minute and 4. Okay, I can't read it so fast. There it does. Went back. There's still like. Oh yeah, let's see what happened to first play. Let's see. First play. Not sure what that is, but I'll figure out later. I'm not gonna show the video, but let's eject the tape. Until this tape. At some point of this, I don't really know why, but it'll just say press the reset switch. I have no idea why. I'm gonna try. Let's try this tape. I actually have a box full of lots of used tapes that I'm gonna watch that with. This one has nothing in there. This one also has nothing in there. Those other ones, yes, they do have something. I'm gonna watch those ones soon. Let's put this one in. Let's watch it go in. I'm gonna leave this open so that you can hear it. Whoops. I'm gonna leave it open a little bit so you can hear the mechanism. Let's rewind it back to 0. Wow. Listen, it's like at high speed. You can hear it. I'm not pressing anything. I'm guessing it's supposed to be automatically rewinding. I guess it doesn't stop when it gets to 0. I wonder what this red thing on the tape. Okay, it's going slower now. I wonder what this red thing here is. Doesn't do anything if you pull it, but if you can see here, there's this bar. They push down, which unlocks it, and then you slide this, and you can see the tape in there. And as you can see down there, there's like a focus camera. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's something down there to push it down on the tape when it's closed. I wonder what that is. And see here is the magnetic tape. And to let you remember, this is not a compact cassette. This is called a digital video cassette, I think it's called. This is like, see if I have something to compare the size with. Here's, not sure if this is a good comparison, but here's the size of a penny. You can see this size is smaller than a compact cassette. Here's the tape. Let's play it and see if there's anything. Okay, fireworks. Wait, this is really cool. So I'm gonna turn this off. The battery, I actually charged the batteries, so it should be fully charged by now and stop charging. Yes, I unplugged it before, and I unplugged this cable before, and it was already finished charging. So let's put it in to see if the battery works. Not sure. Is this a nickel cadmium battery? This is a lithium ion. Camera won't focus there. Okay, so probably it's a lithium ion. I expected it to be a nickel cadmium battery. It just slides in here. My camera won't focus for some reason. Let me try to get it to focus. It's focusing here now. Okay, let's see if the battery works. It says powered it on. I'm gonna take a look over here. Oh, let's take the lens cap off. Let's see. Panasonic video lens. I'm not gonna read the specification. Not this. It looks like it's an LED torch. I think it is. Over here, I'm not sure what that is. Guessing it's an IR sensor for a remote, I guess. But I don't remember finding a remote inside the box that a camera was it from. And we can conclude, yes, this battery works. Let's switch to video mode. I don't have an SD card here. But let's see if there's an SD card in there, like just like how I found a tape in there. How do I open this? I'll figure that out later. I also just noticed that this strap thing, it started to come apart. Like you can see those like, let me see, like there's like this stuff. There's like this stuff coming off of it. Not sure what that is, but it's probably some rubber. That's part of it. I'm not gonna take video because I need a better tape. That tape is just random types will just say press the reset switch, so I'm assuming that tape is damaged. Yes, I did find a box full of some unused tapes, but I can't find it now. See, how do you turn up? So there's a light button. Let's press it. Okay, you can see now the flashlight is on. Which, so compared to how old this thing is, the iPhone flashlight or the iPhone 6 is slightly better. However, compared to how old this is like from like 2003 or 2004. So I wouldn't expect it to be that bright. And adding on, this camera, obviously for today, it wouldn't work so good for like a YouTuber. However, in those days, like in the 2005 or 2004, it would have been worked better. It would have been pretty good for photographers. I want to see how to use a viewfinder. I guess you close this, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna try to stick the camera. Not sure if we can see it. Okay, there's a focus button. Okay. Sorry, I'm moving it. There's focus the best now. Yes, I'll show you how it looks like through the viewfinder. Is that LED on? Nope, it's not on. It looks like it is, but not. Might be exposure issues. You can see here's the focusing dial for the viewfinder. You can push this back in. hopefully this will look better. There, yep. You can conclude the viewfinder works. Let's power it off. Now let's take the tape out. You can actually take the tape out even when it's powered off, as long as it's connected to power. Alright, let's hear the mechanism. I'll be really quiet to see if you can hear it. That sounded pretty cool. And if you skipped the part before, the rewinding sound actually sounds quite satisfying. And I'm gonna take a look with my phone's flashlight on to see if you can see the inside of the mechanism. Here's a look at the mechanism in there. You can see those things are the wheels. And down there, that metal cylinder, the big metal cylinder is likely the reed head. And there's all those guide heads. I'm gonna close it in with no tape in there so you can see it there. Closing. That was pretty cool. Let's try that again. So you just open the lid and it'll just then eject the tape automatically. There's a mechanism. And close it. And watch. Oh no. If you saw before, the reed head was spinning. I don't know why. But this is really cool. There's the lens. Let's look down here. Distributed by Matsushita Electric Corporation of Americas. Made in Indonesia. There's a Panasonic logo. Oh, and what's this? DV and USB. That's what DV is. But I'll look that up on the internet. I remember seeing a S video port. Yep, there's an S video port here. Wondering why it's in the battery compartment. I'm pretty sure that either A, you have to have it plugged into DC while you use the S video port, or the S video port powers it, I guess. Probably not. But anyways, this will be the end of this video, and hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you can, please share this video and give a like and please subscribe. Bye, viewers. And for some extra content, I want to show you this box. And there's some label. Not sure what this label is. And it looks like it was delivered to the Chicago O'Hare Airport, I'm guessing it is. I don't know. Portland, please save this box as you can see here. Remember additional Panasonic batteries. Recycle lithium ion. And it says it includes all this. Yep. I think it does, yep. You can see there's SD. Tells you that this features SD, which was pretty cool. I wonder if you can record videos from tape to SD. There's more features. No wonder why there's a hole in the box. Next here we have a mail-in registration form. And then here it looks like they actually give 2 free issues of Video Maker magazine. Not sure if this form is still good. Doesn't look like there's an expiration date here, but Since this is over a decade old, I'm pretty sure has been expired. AV cable. And there's a shoulder strap, which has not been opened yet. Wonder if this AV cable has ever been used. Probably has not. And pretty much not much else in. Or that I found an empty plastic bag and another empty plastic bag. And pretty much not much else. Bye.